This stink bug is in my house, and the best way I've found to get rid of them, I don't want to squish them, or I don't want to startle them either, because they'll release their pungent, nasty smell. So, and I don't want to put them in a vacuum cleaner, because if they release the smell in there, it's going to come out of the vacuum. Oh, and they're nasty. So what I do is just take a jar, a cover, piece of paper, and just very carefully put them into the jar. Put the cover on quickly in case he startled and releases, and then I just let them sit in there. But I've never had them up till, oh gosh, I think 3 years ago. Started seeing them outside, and then it's January here now in Minnesota, so I think it's 10 below outside. But they like someplace warm for the winter, and they come in. I also get box elder bugs, but those are pretty easy. I just step on them and squish them, and they don't have any odor. But these stink bugs are just nasty. Be sure and check out my other videos.